Vivid verbs. What are they? The word vivid refers to something clear or detailed, while verbs are action words. Vivid verbs are just specific words used to accurately show how an action is being done. Take a look at these two sentences.
Steve stomped into his room. Steve skipped into his room.
Both stomped and skipped are vivid verbs to show how Steve entered his room. Instead of just saying Steve walked into his room, we can paint a clearer picture in our readers' minds by showing them how he walked. Also, the vivid verb we use changes Steve's emotion. Stomped shows us that he is angry, while skipped shows that Steve is likely in a good mood. So, when writing your stories, using vivid verbs helps you achieve a few things. Firstly, it helps readers picture the scene more vividly in their heads, making it easier for them to understand what is happening. Secondly, using vivid verbs shows how characters feel without directly telling, helping readers connect more deeply to the characters while staying hooked to the story. Lastly, it allows you to use more sophisticated vocabulary, which will impress your teacher and help you earn higher marks on your writing assignments. To practice writing more vivid verbs, remember these following actions.
Said, walked, ran, saw, ate.
These actions are basic, boring, and banned. Whenever you need to write about these actions, always replace them with a vivid verb. Now, let's play a game. Try filling in the blanks with a vivid verb instead of using the banned words. Consider the character's emotions and choose the most descriptive verb to illustrate how the character is acting. Good luck and have fun! Great job on completing the quiz! By using vivid verbs, you've experienced firsthand how choosing the right words can bring characters and scenes to life in your writing. Whether it was describing how someone entered a room or savored their meal, each verb painted a distinct picture and conveyed specific emotions. Remember, the power of precise language not only enhances your storytelling but also captivates your audience. Keep practicing and exploring new ways to enrich your writing. It's a journey that leads to endless creative possibilities. My name is Teacher Alex, and I thank you for all your hard work today. Be sure to check out the other lessons on this channel if you would like to go from this to this. Class is dismissed. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye!